Hey guys, Lynn here. So today I'm coming to you with a different kind of video actually. A little while ago I contacted Golden and asked them if they had any samples that I could test their products with. And it's been a while, but they actually did send me a box. So I'm just want to say real quick that they didn't sponsor this, they just sent me some samples to try. And I'm looking forward to seeing what is in this box and what kinds of techniques and paintings I can do with what they sent. Again, no idea what they sent. I just asked for some of their products to try. So let's just open this box real quick. See if that's good enough. Oh, let's put a packing tape in there and a lot of paper. Okay, so first thing is Golden Primary Yellow. This is acrylic paint. And they sent some glass bead gel. And this, let's see what this is. Oh, interesting. Just a little sample of their core watercolors. Alright, and so that is everything that they sent me. So in next video I will just be showing you what you can do with what they sent. I may use just these products, I may use them in with some of the other products that I already have. So look forward to that in the future, and thank you for watching. Bye.